We had always thought of buying a car, but what if you could subscribe it instead? If you were worried about the hefty down payment that demands you to compromise on your lifestyle and drains your bank balance, or the recurring maintenance and running costs that quietly eats into your pocket, or the annual insurance renewal costs, and a car gathering dust in your garage, well, fret no more. Introducing Zap Subscribe, a hassle-free way of getting a personal car at a great price. Zap Subscribe comes with zero down payment, no maintenance and servicing costs, free insurance, and when your car is idle, you can share it with Zoomcar users and save up to 70% on the subscription fee. Now don't buy, just subscribe your personal car, starting at Rs 18,999. To know more, visit zapsubscribe.com.